All right, this is step 2. So after you've sent this strategy for the ECM and TCM over to us with the serial number information of your tuner, we're going to prepare the tune file for you and then send it back. Once you receive it, this is what you have to do. First, you plug in the tuner with the secondary cable that we send you and a USB into your PC. Once you do so, it'll turn on and it will link to your PC. Before you do anything, I'm going to have you, right, so go to device settings and then make sure you go in here and you set up your Wi-Fi, because it's going to require you to be on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so once that's set up, we're going to come over here onto your computer and make sure that you have already installed and downloaded your device uploader and updater from SCT Tuner, which we'll provide you the link. If we didn't provide you the link for some reason, you can always find it on their website. So first step is you come in and you check for automatic updates. It will make sure that you have the correct version of the firmware available for your SCT Tuner on there. Once that's complete, you click on Load Custom File or Custom Tune File. When it does, it opens up this browser for you. You go to Browse. You would have already downloaded the file that we sent you. You download it from your email, just put it in your desktop or in the appropriate folder on your computer. You browse, you look for that, and then you select it. You click Open. Once you do, it will appear here. You highlight it, you make sure that you merge it over, and then you come down here and click Program once you've selected the file. You wouldn't have as many files as I do. These are because we're doing some testing constantly and changing versions. However, you will have the one file, you click on it and you click Program. Once the program is complete, all you have to do at that point is click Back and then Exit. And it was just that simple.